Hey everyone! Today I'm sharing my top 5 picks for electric food choppers and mini food processors that make meal prep faster, easier, and just plain more enjoyable. Whether you're chopping veggies, grinding nuts, or preparing meat, these gadgets can really save you time in the kitchen. Let's dive in. Number 1. Hamilton Beach Electric Vegetable Chopper. First up, the Hamilton Beach Electric Vegetable Chopper and Mini Food Processor. I love this little guy for its super simple stack and press design, no twisting or confusing locks needed. Its 350-watt motor handles onions, herbs, and nuts effortlessly, and the stainless steel blades deliver consistent results every time. Plus, cleanup is a breeze since all the parts are dishwasher safe. Pros: compact, powerful, dishwasher safe, easy one-touch operation. Cons: small 3-cup capacity and only one speed setting. If you have a small kitchen or just need something for quick meal prep, this is a perfect, affordable choice. Number 2. TWOMEOW 4-cup electric food processor. Next is the TWOMEOW 4-cup electric food processor. Despite its compact size, it's surprisingly powerful with a 200-watt motor and dual-speed control. The double S-shaped blades chop evenly, and it comes with 2 4-cup bowls so you can keep meats and veggies separate. Cleanup is simple thanks to its detachable, dishwasher-safe parts. Pros: compact, powerful, low noise, easy to clean, and 2 bowls. Cons: plastic bowls aren't as durable and are limited to big batches. It's a handy, efficient option for everyday kitchen use. Number 3. Homeleader Electric Food Chopper. The Homeleader Electric Food Chopper really transforms your prep routine. Its 300-watt motor and 360-degree stainless steel blades shred vegetables in seconds 5 times faster than traditional choppers. I love the 2-liter glass bowl, multiple interchangeable blades, 2 speed settings, and 1-touch pulse control. It's also quiet, compact, and dishwasher safe. Pros: fast, versatile, quiet, easy to clean. Cons: limited to 30-second runs, smaller bowl for large meals. This one's perfect for busy kitchens or families with lots of meal prep. Number 4. KOIOS 500W Electric Food Processor. Coming in at number 4 is the KOIOS 500W Electric Food Processor. This machine is powerful, with a pure copper motor and S-shaped bi-level blades. It chops, blends, purees, and minces evenly in about 10 seconds. Dual 2-liter bowls let you process different foods at the same time, and their stackable design saves counter space. Safety features like auto shut-off and overheating protection make it worry-free. Pros: fast, dual bowls, safe design, easy to clean. Cons: short continuous operation, bowls can shake if not held firmly. A reliable choice if you want efficiency and versatility in one device. Number 5. Ganiza Food Processor. Finally, the Ganiza Food Processor is a powerhouse for busy kitchens. With dual 8-cup bowls, glass for veggies, stainless steel for meat, a 450W full copper motor, and ergonomic push buttons, it handles everything from salads to burgers in seconds. I also love the smart overheat protection light and dishwasher-safe parts for easy cleanup. Pros: dual bowls, powerful motor, ergonomic buttons, overheat protection, and easy to clean. Cons: glass bowl limited to 149 degrees Fahrenheit, slightly heavier than mini choppers. This one's ideal if you want a robust, time-saving helper that can handle bigger tasks. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more kitchen tips and product reviews. Which one of these choppers would you add to your kitchen? Let me know in the comments below.